Hey, welcome back. Bruce with DIY Homestead Projects. Well, today is an exciting day for me. I'm going to be trying out this Juba ZX7 200 amp stick welder. If you've been watching my videos, you watched me make the leads for it, put the plug end on it, and I made my adapter to convert two 120 volt outlets to 240 volt plug. So we'll see what happens. This is the big test. Let me show you what I've got here. There's my outlet. Get my machine plugged in. I am going to be running these lights at the same time, so I've got three 4-foot fluorescent lights on this same circuit. I've got a small floor fan over there I'm going to turn on. And then the machine, got my lead cable and my ground cables already connected to the Harbor Freight welding table. I don't have a whole lot of metal to work with, so I've just got this little tiny sample piece clamped into these Vise grips. I've been welding on that a little bit with the flux core welder. I don't even know if I can strike an arc. I've never stick welded before in my life. So I'm just going to try to see if I can get an arc going and run a couple of beads on that piece. Oh, I'll get my new chipping hammer that I built, and if you haven't seen it, I have a video on showing how I built that. Some 1/8 inch 70-18 electrodes. It says DC and AC. I'm running this on DC, of course. 90 to 160 amps. I'm going to try to run them as close as I can tell to 100 amps. Just to start with. I also have a ABC fire extinguisher just in case all hell breaks loose. Which is good for electrical fires. I don't even know if I can strike an arc, guys, but I'm going to do my best. And we'll see. Who knows? I may blow a breaker right off the bat. It's hard to say. It's going to be interesting. So I'll set this camera up over here on the side so you can kind of see an overall big picture of what's going on. And then I'm just going to see what happens. Wish me luck. Okay, the machine turned on. Got the fan going. Lights are on. Got my first ever electrode in the electrode holder. It actually fit in there real nice. I think I'll just put it out 90 degrees. That'll give me something to work with. Hopefully those Vise grips will hold that good enough for me. Alright, let's see what happens. That may not be enough amperage. Some videos I saw on this, it may not be actually putting out the amps that it says. So let me turn that up a little bit. Kicked it up to about 115. Of course, I don't know what I'm doing either, so that could have a lot to do with it. Well, that's pretty darn fun. First ever. That burns away a lot faster than I had ever anticipated. Wow. First impressions on stick welding. It's a lot of fun, guys. If you at least so far, I mean, I ran one little bead. I'll chip it off here in a minute and we'll see what it looks like. That's pretty cool. Huh. Way different than what I had expected. It seems like it has a real smooth arc. Maybe that's just my imagination, I don't know. But I'll just show you what it looks like before I chip it. Just kind of a big globular mess. See if the chipping hammer works. If you do it right, it's supposed to peel right off there. I mean, it kind of came off in a few big chunks, but wow. All right. My very first stick weld bead. Cool. Actually, way better than I thought. Of course, this is supposed to be a pretty forgiving rod, and that's why I bought a box of them. I bought a small 2-pound box. All right, let me run a couple more beads and we'll look at those. I think I just need to practice starts and stops, or starting the arc, obviously. Well, that was horrible. Whew, yeah, that's nasty. Beginner's luck on the first bead. That one's terrible. Let's try a few more. Well, the machine will weld. I'm pretty sure the rest of that's me. But it's a lot of fun. All right, let's do one more. for the slag removal. Let's chip it off and I'll let you see that. There's my first stick welds ever coming out of the Juba ZX7 200 stick welder. Got about $150 in the whole setup. This is a 1/8 inch 7018 rod. Again, first time ever with the stick welder. Boy, you can lay down some metal with that thing. That's amazing. I know the welds are horrible, but for the first time ever, I was lucky to be able to weld. My adapter that I built on my last video seems to be working just fine. I don't feel any heat at all. Of course, these wires are the same diameter. I think it's 14 gauge, pretty small. So this welder doesn't pull much power. Ticking away. Had that set about 115, 120, 115 or so. Maybe I needed to turn that up a little bit. I don't know. Either way, it was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your support. Any comments or suggestions, recommendations for a brand new stick welder, I'm totally open to hearing what you got to say. Drop it down in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next video.